Good morning, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, students, scholars, and sportsmen, teachers and trainers, professionals and professors, advocates, advertisers, administrators, advisors, those who are listening from the field of science, religion, spirituality, arts, commerce, and engineering. Today it is very nice time, nice place, nice action of listening with 100% present sense of mind. Really, it is wonderful time, and you are knowing about different type of products as per the demand of the customers. We are providing here winter clothes for the ladies, gents, and for kids. We are providing here footwears, shoes, and coat, overcoat, toys for the kids in different colors, different size, shape, figure at the cheap rate. Sir, what's the price of it? Please tell me. Only it is being provided here in 100 rupees. And what's its price? What's its price?
150.
Its price is only 150. So, any person, ladies or gentlemen, can purchase it easily. I, Dr. Rakesh from USA, heartily cordially welcome all of you. Further, you are watching, this is the international technology being adopted while making these goods to make our Indians comfortable and convenient. Now we are showing you different type of footwears in the different size, shape, and colors. These have their own different features at the very cheap prices. Sir, what kind of shoes you are providing? Please tell us something about it.
300. 300.
Uh, 300 rupees any shoes you can buy from here. These shoes are in different color, size, shape, figure, and these have its own qualities, own varieties. So our Indian feature is unity in diversity. It is rightly said that really a great figure of unity in diversity you are watching. There are different varieties, adversities in number, size, shape, figure for the kids, for ladies and gentlemen. Anyone can purchase, and these are ladies footwears. These how much cost of it is?
Only for 100 rupees. 100. 100 so.
Only at 150 rupees they are providing. Any ladies footwear you can buy from here. And this is winter cap. Winter cap is being provided here.
Only 50 rupees.
Only its cost is 50 rupees. Any cap, any winter cap you can buy from here. And now you are watching these clothes.
250.
Any pant you can buy from here within its prices.
250.
Only 250 rupees its prices. And there are different other items you can take from here. Here are t-shirts. T-shirts are being presented here in the different colors. Only the rate of every t-shirt is 100 rupees with having the different color, size, shape, and as per the figure of your body you can select it, and different measurements of the clothes are being displayed here. Other items, plastic items are also available here. Only 100 rupees at for the rate of 99. Sister is guiding me for selling another
100.
within 100 rupees you can buy any item. These are lowers.
250.
Different type of technology are being used while making these lowers. Some are made in China, some are made in Pakistan, and some are made in Korea. Some are made in USA and UK. Some are made in India. So anyone can feel international outlook and internationally can be observed while wearing these type of the different goods. You are watching, this is the Indian outlook also here. All brothers and sisters are serving here for presenting you in Sangriya, district Hanumangarh, Rajasthan. You are watching different colors of these. Please express the rates of these cots. What is the cost of it?
400.
Its cost is only 400 rupees. Any cot for your kids, for your gents, for your ladies can buy it. These are also cots
200.
only of 200 rupees. Every piece, its cost is 200 rupees. And this is
350.
350 rupees. Sweats are also available here, and jackets for the gents,
Yes.
for ladies also.
Yes.
What items you are providing for ladies? Please express it. Please express the ladies items.
500.
Only of 500 rupees you are. Please show and tell us about the items of ladies that you are providing here.
Yes.
Yes.
No.
Okay. Here are all you are watching plastic items. Just in front of this sale, you are watching plastic items, different type of goods, cleaners and bowls, cups, jars, baskets and dustbins are also available. Toys are available here for your kids. Steel utensils are there, and required things in kitchen are also present here, also available here. Different type of cleaners of your home, your kitchen are being provided here, and all the customers are busy in providing you the services at the cheap rate. So everyone should get the advantages of these items. Thank you, listeners. Thank you very much.